Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. In this video, we dive into the futuristic world of luxury travel with the 2026 BMW RV Motorhome, a stunning blend of performance, elegance, and innovation that sets a new benchmark in the motorhome segment. The 2026 BMW RV Motorhome carries forward the brand's legacy of precision engineering and bold design, now in a larger and more lifestyle-focused format. From the outside, it showcases BMW iconic kidney grille in a widened and modernized form, flanked by sleek adaptive LED headlights. The sculpted lines along the side and signature Hofmeister kink give it a dynamic and aggressive presence. The use of lightweight carbon, aluminum composite materials enhances performance while maintaining structural strength. Under the hood, the BMW RV Motorhome is powered by a plug-in hybrid setup featuring a turbocharged inline-six engine paired with an electric motor. Combined, this system produces around 650 horsepower, enabling brisk acceleration and efficient long-distance cruising. It also features BMW X-Drive all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and regenerative braking technology for enhanced control, comfort, and efficiency on all types of terrain. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a high-tech, luxury environment unlike any other RV. The interior is lined with fine merino leather, sustainable wood trims, ambient LED lighting, and a panoramic smart glass roof that adjusts its tint based on lighting conditions. The open concept living space includes a U-shaped modular lounge, a pop-up 75-inch OLED display, and a 3D surround sound system, ideal for entertainment or relaxation on the go. The kitchen is outfitted with top-of-the-line smart appliances, including a convection microwave, dual induction cooktops, and a digital refrigerator. Every function is controlled through BMW iDrive touchpad and integrated voice assistant. The bedroom area is designed for both comfort and privacy with a king-size smart bed that adjusts firmness and supports sleep tracking, along with smart windows that offer tint and noise control. The bathroom is equally impressive, equipped with a digital rainfall shower, a self-cleaning toilet system, and antibacterial surfaces. Onboard systems include full solar integration, a high-capacity battery pack, and a smart water filtration unit, making it ideal for extended off-grid adventures. Advanced safety and convenience tech come standard, including autonomous driving assist, 360-degree cameras, trailer sway control, and automated parking. With over-the-air updates and remote diagnostics, the motorhome remains up-to-date and connected at all times. The 2026 BMW RV Motorhome isn't just a travel companion. It's a mobile luxury suite built for those who demand both performance and refinement wherever they roam. Combining the driving thrill of a BMW with the functionality of a high-end residence, it redefines how far luxury can go literally. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want to see more cutting-edge automotive content, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned with Auto Review Pro for more exclusive reviews and features from the world of premium cars and luxury motorhomes.